Hey y'all, good morning. I'm out here in the garden. I went to the recycle center yesterday with my aunt and got some soil. Some soil and some wood chips. So I'm gonna add that to the garden. Just a garden update here. What's going on? My neighbor's tree is coming all the way over here. So I'm gonna get the saw once the sun go down and try to get this cut. But my tomatoes are doing good. I haven't been out here to harvest any string beans, but I'm sure there is some. Not that many. Yeah, not that many, but it is some. Daggone bugs. See that bug? Get out of here. A few string beans. I got some flowers, so I got some more coming. Look at my sweet potatoes. They didn't vine from down there, and so now they didn't came all the way up here and twisted around the tomato cage thing. That's funny. Wow. Down there, it's going around a little hoop. At least it's growing. I'm gonna harvest some of this kale today. Cause it's looking good. Make some kale chips or something. My blueberry bush is doing good. Oh guys, I wanted to show y'all something. I don't know what's been out here digging in my stuff. Look what I found in my garden. If I can get around here. Okay. Alright, so this is my raspberry that died. This one is this is another raspberry that's doing awesome. But check this out, y'all. What the heck is going on right there? How did I get ground cherries in my garden? Because I never planted them. And they're coming from down there in between the raised bed. So maybe a squirrel or something brought it here. Yeah, thank you. I got ground cherries. Tomatoes is still looking good. Oh, my bell pepper, a squirrel got me. Or something got me. It's gone. I got some new growth here growing, and my cabbage looks okay. Looks like something's eating it. I gotta check it for worms or caterpillars. But this is oh, I forgot what I planted. Oh, radish and turnips and beets, I believe. My peas is looking good. I can harvest some more. My Cashapp squash is looking like it needs some water right now, but still no female buds. All male flowers still. My sunflower looking good. And I'm gonna harvest some potatoes today, and I'll show y'all what I got. Stay tuned. just harvesting them because I guess I'm tired of waiting. I'm being impatient. These are potatoes I grew in a box. I don't even know if they're ready, but I'm about tired of them. Oh, these are the purple ones. Oh, yes. I got one nice one. Nice. Ooh, look at the worms. Yes. Look at that. It's a little stiff, ain't he? Nice. They're so pretty. Purple. Can't see it. So I planted russets, purple, and red. Red, purple, and russets. Yeah, they could have stayed in a little bit longer, but I don't know. I'm so impatient sometimes. I'm excited about these ground cherries though. I've never had those before. I don't know where they came from. Maybe a squirrel or something. I would have picked this box up, but I think it's gonna fall apart. So I am not. These are some nice juicy worms. Oh my god. Make me want to go fishing. Look at that worm. Yeah, get in there. All right. There's a big ball of something. I think I'm gonna let the other ones. I got one more big bucket of potatoes. I'm gonna just let them sit. I'm gonna be patient. I promise. Right, I think that's it. I'm getting bit up out here. Yeah, the bottom of this box is gone. I think that's it, guys. All right. Hey y'all. Try to see what's in this bucket. It's dried out. So, of course I left my tripod. in the house. So, wow, two so far. Oh God, I put I guess a couple different varieties of potatoes. The little red potatoes, they're little, but the russets is okay size, not too bad. Yeah, it was this one that just started growing. Should I put that back in the ground? I don't know. Ew, seed potato. I got some little ones, but better than nothing. Better than nothing. This pot was really dry. I just watered this pot last night and it's still dry. Alright, well that's it for this pot. I might throw this back in the ground just to see what happens. Alright, this is what I have. Not bad. This is my harvest. Purple, red, russet. It's not much, but I got something, so I'm excited. All right, guys.